In August of 2017, this 1 pound bag of Paydirt from Dorado Gold cost $65 plus $7.25 for shipping, for a total of $72.25. It took 19 days to arrive from my date of order, and when I opened it up, I found out that the Paydirt itself was enclosed in just a generic plastic bag, but that this was inside a rather nicely made heavy-duty pouch, which concerned me a little bit because this plastic is a little thin, and there was a chance that when I pulled this out, because it was a tight fit, that the Velcro could have torn the plastic and spilled a lot of the gold out. Now, this is guaranteed to have 1 gram of gold in it, so it's a gold-added Paydirt. And additionally, it's advertised that 1 out of every 50 bags is a bonus bag with as much as $250 worth of gold in it. So let's take a look at this up close and see if I got lucky. This is without a doubt the strangest Paydirt I've ever classified. First of all, almost all of the material was minus 100 mesh. Very little in anything else. Second of all, there was a very high percentage of pyrites in it, fool's gold. Now, we hear a lot about fool's gold, but the fact is, when you buy Paydirt, it's really rare. And yet almost all of this shows the yellow-brown cubic-shaped crystals indicative of fool's gold. Another thing is, even though there was this much minus 100 mesh material, it wasn't the least bit dusty. Whatever this stuff is, it's very heavy. Now, I've checked it, and there's practically no black sand in this, even though it almost looks like black sand. Probably the most remarkable thing, though, is that while I was classifying it, I found a lot of gold. There's probably 3 dozen pieces there, and this makes me suspect I may have gotten lucky and gotten one of the 1 in 50 bags that have a lot of extra gold in it. Now, I don't think this has the 6 grams I'd need to get to that $250 value, but it's looking pretty good. What'll be interesting is to see if there's any gold in this material. So let's fire up the miller table and see what we get. Well, that was a very challenging cleanup. The larger stuff went through the miller table just fine, but the problem was when I got down to the minus 100 material, it was so fine and so heavy that no matter how I worked it, it tended to form a mud that didn't seem to want to let go of any gold. But it turned out there wasn't any gold down there. Through all of the material run over the miller table, all I found was 1 more piece in the plus 30 size and 1 more piece in the plus 70s. But let's weigh it up and see what we got. .469 grams. Okay, that's pretty good from a bag of dirt that only cost $72. Let's run the numbers on it and see what the return on investment is. For written reviews of over 40 other gold Paydirt sellers, I invite you to visit my main website at waynesthisthandthat.com.